All right, so we're now heading to the pet section, which is my favorite section. The pet section is my favorite is because it is a very basic niche. It's not gated, on Amazon, which means that a lot of the products are basic products, don't require a lot of regulatory or regulations. You don't have to provide a lot of certifications or certificates or anything like that. Let's just walk down here. And some of these products, because the pet industry is so versatile, some of the products here are brand new and I've never seen them before. And I've been involved in the pet industry for a while. There's a few products here actually that are brand new, including that 4-in-1 interactive scratcher and toy. That's a brand new product. I spoke to the factory yesterday about that. Brand new product. They have about 6 or 7 different products they showed me yesterday, which are really, really top of the line, incredible products. Let's have a look at a few more products. And when you're deciding on your pet niche, try and choose products that aren't bulky. So you're not going to be doing these travel cases, right? The travel case is too bulky. They're way too much, not good for Amazon. You want to jump onto products that are profitable, lightweight, less than 45 centimeters, doing probably about $5,000 Australian a month or more. And you want to be jumping on products that are reasonably simple. So no batteries. A lot of pet products don't have batteries. Like, look, can you see any batteries in this? A lot of them just don't have any batteries at all. They're very simple, non-techy products. And my litmus test before jumping on anything is, if it breaks, if the product breaks, is it something that you can fix yourself? And most of the time, you could probably say in pet products, yeah, you can. You can fix it yourself. If something breaks on one of these devices, you could probably go in there and go, hey, you can fix it yourself with a hammer and not that you're going to do that anyway. But if you're doing iPads or HD high definition TVs, or you're doing drones and something breaks, you can't fix that yourself. So you don't want to jump on those products. Waste bags, these things are quite good. Not these ones though. You want the high-end look. The leather ones, the stuff that actually looks like high-end luxury. The waste bags, but the waste bags is always going to be a big market because people don't be carrying around a little, piece of plastic in their pocket. Tie-out cables are pretty good. Again, simple, basic products. Let's have a look at a few more. See, pet furniture, not something I would suggest you jump on. My favorite, the pooper scoopers. They've even got different sizes for different size dogs, which is pretty cool. And look at the size of this bloody tennis ball. We're dealing with a mountain of a dog. Look at that. It's humongous. Godzilla. It's a Godzilla dog. Let's see what else you got. These are interesting. Look at these dolphin. They're basically unique little pet, what do you call it? Pet beds. If you are going to jump on the pet beds, make them unique or make them stand out in some way. You've got to have some sort of point of differentiation. So something brand new. I actually do have a client who's jumped on these. These are called cat trees, and quite a profitable niche actually. She visited a supplier in China over there. A lot of them are shoddily made, but the ones that she's got are not. This is an interesting product. Look at these ball launchers, right? Never seen that before. If you love to take your dog to the park, look at this. That's incredible. I've never seen that before. Every kid would love to take his dog to the park now and walk his dog and throw the ball because he's shooting the ball up in the air. Is that cool? And you see up there they do OEM, which means they brand with your logo. You could have your logo on the product. And this looks like it's quite a reputable company. They've dealt with these companies before, which is quite good. CVC Pharmacy, which is huge. Kmart. Having dealt with these companies before gives you a lot more trust, a lot more credibility, right? You can trust this company because they deal with quality merchants and they've got quality products. It actually does give you a bit more security when making a purchase. And that's the big thing with when you're selling on Amazon, you're dealing with suppliers. Is you just want to be comfortable with paying them. You want to make sure that they are going to be reputable, they are going to deliver the product. And most of the time, especially my clients, being involved 10 years, of, what are these? Oh, these cool. See, you got to have a point of difference, not any regular pet bed. This is for a cat where they can sort of snuggle in there, doubles up as a footrest. Ni hao, how are you? I like these. Are these new? Yeah, they look quite new. It's a footrest with a hidden compartment for the cat, right? Yes. No, it's brand. It's lovely. Look at that. It's beautiful. And it's just so this brand new product, new. Yes, okay, new design. Yeah, okay, all right. Okay, thank you. Look at these ones up here. Same thing. New cat furniture, some sort of point of difference, just so you are standing out in some way. The cat tree kings. See rocks like that, it's not good. Don't buy the cat trees. Go for quality over quantity. So come with me, guys. I'm going to show you a few cool products that you can jump on. And these products that I typically jump on are really for my students. I partner up with students as well, but I jump on products. I'm always looking for products myself as well as my students. So this particular product right here, see the dogs? All right, that's a hot product. That is a really trending product right now. And it's a product that's doesn't really exist in the market because it's got reinforced leather at the top, as you can see, and they're not real dogs. So reinforced leather protects your door, protects your seat. It enables small dogs to sort of sit on the front seat and not slide around. And it's something that's trending really well right now. But the ones that's trending are really well. This is a basic black plastic PVC, very basic, very shoddily. These are like felt, the material, they're reinforced, so they don't get ruined after 2 uses. See this particular product, this particular niche shop. We'll walk past here. Look at this. This is the luxury dog range right here. The luxury dog range, right? They've got a whole range of raincoats, perfumes for dogs. They've got everything. I spent a lot of time at the supplier yesterday. I'm actually looking to do business with them. It should be good. So I go after quality. People on Amazon, they want to jump on quality as well. They want quality over quantity. The last thing you want to do is have a dodgy product that falls apart a minute after opening it. It's a surefire way of getting a 1-star review. So make sure you come to the Canton Fair, make sure you look at or meet these suppliers face to face. And see, look at this. This is beautiful. Look at that, elephants. How cool is that? All right, guys. We're going to see some products. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. See you later.